Hey, look who's in TrenchTown. You don't know?
What's up, what's up?
Wow, my girl Jess in town. Big up yourself. This is Esther.
Hi, Esther! What's going on? I've been watching your videos.
Yes. Big up, big up. Say, you made it.
It's your girl, Prime Girl Jess. I just arrived. I'm in TrenchTown, my real yard, you know.
Aye.
Downtown bad girl.
Yes.
Understand?
Waka. Hey.
Long time,
Waka. Coco.
Kino is here.
Big up
yourself, my brother.
Hey guys, you know this is Kino. Welcome to Kino Life. You know all the tingo. Welcome to Kino Life in Jamaica. We're here in TrenchTown.
What is this? Is your house? I recognize D was here, no?
Yeah, D was here.
So what is this? Is your house?
No, this is where I'm from. This is where I'm doing the work here in TrenchTown.
I don't do so much. So there is 3 Israeli army IDF position. Guys, you already know that, but I will teach them. It's 1 when you're holding the gun. It's 1. Going more. Let's go.
Stand right here. Yeah, you're good there.
Okay, it's 1, 2.
Yeah.
And then you put your hand like that.
Yeah.
You go like that.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Well, blessed love guys. Welcome back to Kino Life in Jamaica. You know, I hope you're having a wonderful day anywhere you are. You know, so I'm back here in TrenchTown, but guess what guys, we have farmer girl Jess, that she's coming to Kingston today, you know, and she wanna go and meet Coco girl as well. She's gonna get her, and then we're gonna link up as well too. So they wanna come to TrenchTown, so we're gonna go and get them. You know, we're gonna meet farmer girl Jess first, and then we're gonna find where Coco girl is, and then take them to TrenchTown for a bit before them leave out as well too. So it's all depend on the time as well. It's all depend on the time as well, because you know farmer girl Jess is coming from St. Mary, Portland side, St. Mary. So if they come here in time, then it can happen, but if not, just let's see. So guys, remember, thank you so much for watching Kino Life in Jamaica, and please subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and give the video a like. If you're here for the first time, thank you and welcome to Kino Life in Jamaica. I remember over here strictly positivity, straight love alone, and we support each other here, right? So we're here to help each other grow, right? So we're here for positivity only. So if you're here for negativity, oh Lord, you get left. So guys, remember, thank you so much for supporting Kino Life in Jamaica, and put the thumbs up whenever you're watching.
Make a little cut. That's it. Then get your cut.
understand? Pass. Yeah.
One big.
Come here, little bit.
What that's it?
Yeah, man, come here, what that's
No, man. Easy.
Alright, go on. Ah, that's so.
Easy, so.
Easy, so. Yeah.
Oh, one more.
That's it. Right there.
I go think I get some more material.
That could
One
be.
flash right away.
And the one cement I use?
No one cement, half bag of bigger.
Okay.
One up on the corner scene.
And the one there. We're patching out the window, we're blacking out the window to the kitchen. So that's what we're doing today. You know, today is only that we're doing, just blacking out the window for the kitchen. You know, and then now we're gonna finish lining up the pipes and everything and finish. Get the window knock out as well to the kitchen and everything. So that's what we're literally doing today, you know, to get everything moving really quick and fast. But I really like how the project is moving quick and fast, you know. Been working in motion, everything been working on time as well it's supposed to. You know, guys, I would thank you so much. So let me show you now what's going on. You know, so we just got some more blocks as you can see. Alright. Turn on the light after we switch there. Is a plug-in. So here guys, so we're blacking out the window to the bedroom. A plug-in our work. See that plug it in. Thanks, yeah.
Wow, chef, where are you?
Ew.
Wow, chef.
Eh?
Wow.
Hacksaw blade. You know the hacksaw?
No.
Cutting this.
Cutting this.
Yeah, steel.
Yeah, man. Supposed to have.
Line it.
Supposed to have cutting blade. I'll go over there.
I even not in the house.
Natural cut, no there. Then I go. Guys, so well. So guys, thank you so much. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Guys, as you can see, the journey continues. And you can see the project is moving smoothly, nicely and fastly. You know, so that is it guys. So we're here in TrenchTown. As you can see, the condition here in TrenchTown is not so wonderful. So we're trying our best to help out each other, you know, on the journey.
Alright. See the stuff here, sir. The concrete.
This one is concrete, but double check.
I concrete that.
May I tell you one out? There's one at each. One of them are concrete one. Concrete that one, no?
Oh, man.
Give me one. Control that concrete.
Concrete there.
Alright. You know. Alright, give me the book.
You still want more black than this?
That will go the way I want.
What am I doing? Concrete.
Pasta boom. Boom, pasta half a black this behind you.
Concrete.
Check it.
Must have concrete. Spinning
Concrete that have to be. Yeah, 60 concrete.
Yeah.
Yes guys, so I just got the call from farmer girl Jess. Says she just touched down in TrenchTown. So alright, so let me go see. Oh, yeah. Yeah, there. Farmer girl. Hey, look who's in TrenchTown. You don't know?
What's up?
Farmer girl Jess in town. Big up yourself. This is Esther.
Hi, Esther. Oh God, I've been watching the videos.
Yes. Big up. Say, you made it.
It's your girl, Farm Girl Jess. I just arrived. I'm in TrenchTown, my real yard, you know.
Aye.
Downtown bad girl.
Yes.
Understand?
Real bad farmer girl. She's off the farmland and they're here in TrenchTown. So guys, you need to check out Farmer Girl Jess. If you don't check her out yet, what are you waiting on?
Yeah, you need to subscribe.
Yeah.
And subscribe to Kina Lifestyle.
Exactly. So go and check it out. The link will be in the description.
Yeah.
Right? Hey, so how you find it?
How I find it?
How you find it here?
I find it, you know. Not too bad. I like the design. Very modern.
Okay. Oh, there's a lot of them here, boy.
Oh
A
my
lot of
God.
them. You shooting?
Yes, guys. So you don't know who.
Hey.
Up in a.
She buck up in we're not talking about the roots. Now the way they call it the punch. This is Kina, she buck up in was Key Life in Jamaica. Guys, look how I'm tall. Yo, like you have to tip, guys, tip. So welcome guys, this is Kino Life in Jamaica, we're here in TrenchTown. I can't believe Jess is tipping. Really? Hey. Welcome to TrenchTown.
Wow.
No, yeah, what?
How tall are you?
Because for me I have inches on my shoes.
How tall are you?
I'm 6'2".
You're 6'2"?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm not that tall, it's just the shoes got inches. So make me a little bit taller. So, all my shoes got inches, guys. So me always get the
Guys, you should check out Esther channel to show the YouTube channel. Esther Campbell. Esther Campbell.
Campbell, yes.
Esther Campbell. So Jess is here, she's in my place. You know, as you can see, look, see the name there, see the face. Kino Life in Jamaica. Friend in need is a friend indeed. I mean, we have a house up on the next street where the members them over there work. Where you park? Up here, sir. So this is called 3rd Street. You sure?
I just see the mall, like I don't know which one them disappear to.
Yeah. Hello. Alright. Yeah. Oh, them turn. Yeah. Oh, sit there. Esther, look here.
They don't mind if I video.
Yeah. See right there.
Yo! No! Don't drink.
Walk on.
Wagwan General.
Walk on, General.
Big up man.
Every time.
Big up myself, my J. Right man.
Walk on.
Cheers.
Walk on. Hey.
Long time.
Walk on. Coco.
Kino is here.
Big
Big up
up.
yourself, my brother.
Hey guys, you know this is Kino. Welcome to
They
Kino
know the
Life.
thing
You
go.
know how the thing go.
They know.
Welcome to Kino Life in Jamaica. I'm here. We're here in TrenchTown. With
What is this? Is your house? I recognize D was here, no?
Yeah, he was here.
So what is this? Is your house?
No, this is where I'm from. This is where I'm doing the work here in TrenchTown.
Guys, you remember he changed the hairstyle? Look at that.
Yeah,
I love it, my
it's
brother.
changed. You like it?
Like new Kino, of course.
Hi, you guys, the new Kino, you know.
New Kino is in the building. He's here.
Hey, cheers. And wagga on in my community, TrenchTown. So
Thank
now
you.
you are a real bad girl.
Of course, I'm a street woman, my brother.
Hey.
I can teach you some moves, some street moves if you want.
I'm gonna need you to teach me.
Of course.
I'm gonna-
Coco girl with the bucket knife, so careful.
yeah.
Of course. You will teach me some ghost moves in the farm.
Now we teach him how to do
Yeah. And this is Esther. That's
Hey,
Esther.
Esther, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you, my sister.
That is Esther. I'm gonna make you meet some of my friends them where we're working. 'Cause I know here is where I do the charity. Where I help out the people them. So we're gonna walk over there.
Okay.
Come, we're walking through the garrison.
So let's see how Kino help to the community.
Ban!
And yes, basically I just was supposed to go to we found there. I'm
Oh.
actually going to Austin for 2 days.
Yeah.
But on the way we will catch some Kino vibe a
Of
little bit.
course.
Of course, why not?
Yeah, man. Hey. No, sir. TrenchTown is not like that.
It's not like that.
No, you can leave your car open. You can leave it open. TrenchTown
Let's
is
go. Give us the tour.
beautiful.
Because I have important things in the house and
Nah, man.
I will be
TrenchTown. Everything is safe.
everything is safe.
It's safe.
Okay.
You're rolling with everything is safe.
Okay, Kino is here, so I'm
You're
okay,
protected.
I can relax.
So guys, Wagga on is here. Big up
Wagga
yourself,
Wagga.
Wagga.
Still people tell me how you cannot say wagwan. How to say
Wagwan.
wagwan? I
Yeah.
swear people teach me how to say it correctly, but something here I don't know. It's block. So I say wagwan, my brother.
Something is blocked.
Something is block.
Wagwan. Something is
Wagwan.
blocked. Wagga. Hello, Kishi.
Hey,
Wagga.
wagwan, my sister.
Say hello to my friend Coco girl
Nice
and
to
farmer
meet
girl Jess.
Hello, my sister.
Hi, nice to meet you.
You are living here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool.
Right here, this is my little part.
Peaceful life.
Yes.
I love it.
So we're gonna move her out and move you in.
Of course. What time you going out?
Just tell her what time Kishi, I will bring her in. Alright.
I will be happy to rent here.
Yeah.
This is how I travel in the world. I'm traveling with the locals. So this is the thing. This is
Yeah.
how you should travel.
So this is how you travel in
From
TrenchTown.
your country and to see the all the tourism.
Whoa! Whoa! This is the whoa chef.
Yeah, man. Watch me look, my work, you know. That's my work, man. Yeah, man.
Wagawagan, my brother. Wagawagan.
Yes, he's the house that we're building for him right now. He's one of my team members.
Oh, so cool.
Yes.
Yeah, so I'm going to the shop, so I'll get something. And
He's going to the shop
Okay.
and come back quick.
Okay, so see you soon, huh?
Yeah, man.
Yes, hurry up and come. So we have farm girl Jess here. Jess.
Jessie.
Yes.
So you know the thing, girl?
Yeah, man.
You
watching,
subscribe?
man. Long time. You know, I know what going on.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. You see, I forgot, man. That's what going on, man.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, man. Dad. Big up so come here, man.
It's gonna come back. Yes. Whoa. So, come. So this is like the alright. So these places like the first time houses in TrenchTown. These are the yes. So this is what.
I love
Yes.
Modern everything.
Yes.
It's so modern.
So that's what I'm taking. But
I love it. This background is fit.
yeah. Background fitter, right?
Yeah. Yeah, look at that, guys. This farm girl in the city. Look at that.
That's where they wash.
Scoop, 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 scoop.
And that's like the outside bath toilets.
Scooby-Doo. Scooby-Doo is here, guys.
Scooby-Doo.
Scooby-Doo is here.
Scooby-Doo.
Just drink this beer. This is
Sorry, beer.
Yeah, first time. It's really nice.
It's really nice. Guys, I'm going to check out Coco Girl as well too. A link will be in the description.
And also check out
You know.
Tino. We will do link in the description.
Of course, finally.
Love is free.
Free. Tell her it is free.
Of course.
It is so free.
Yeah, it's so
I make you
free.
meet my members then.
Hey, I love the vibe here.
Love them. Yeah. So you see, we come through the yard to come on another street.
Okay.
So this is another street, but just come through the yard. You know.
People like so peacefully, simple.
Yeah.
Love it.
Dynamite.
I love this kind of life, you know? Less is more.
Oh no.
Less is more.
Yeah. This is more.
I should try that.
You should try it.
I should try this.
Going through here. What up? Wagga. So this is our next street called Baby.
Hey, be careful on Esther.
It's my friend. It's my
it's our
friend.
friend.
Yes. Baby. Wagga. So Wagga.
Wagawagan, nice sister. Wagawagan. Everything's amazing. No complaint.
Go.
So this is the real Jamaica. You understand what's that?
Yes.
Yes.
This is called
Time here.
the inner city.
I love it.
So here is where we're doing some work. Right around here. So we have Mother Teresa.
Hey mama. Wagawagan, how are you?
And that is the
I love you too.
and that is the hero. That is my cousin there, hero.
Your cousin?
Yeah.
Yes, same high, you see?
Yeah, same height. Yes. And look, this is boom.
Hey, boom. Hey, I love this name.
Boom.
I
Rasta boom.
Boom.
Rasta Messi.
Blessing, my brother. Wagawagan.
So this is the work that we're doing in here?
After you,
Yeah.
after boom.
So we have the prefect here. His name is prefect.
Yeah, prefect. Wagwan.
So basically, you're helping people to build
Places, yeah. And this is Tall P. Meet farmer girl Jess.
Warm tall P. Big up.
And Coco girl.
Hey, my brother. Wagawagan. how are you?
Wagga.
Blessing.
And we have Dewey in there.
And this is the real deal because he's working and I love it.
Yeah, you that Dewey?
Not resting.
She says she loved it.
Serious man.
Yes.
You see the men in Jamaica, guys? You see? They are not playing game.
Wait, Coco girl.
No play.
No play.
Play.
You can go inside and look if you want at what we're doing, Coco.
I will go inside.
Yes. You
Okay.
can go inside. Just be careful with your feet.
You need some help
Well,
from Israeli woman.
Yeah.
you can manage, no problem.
If I can teach you some moves, my brother.
Hey. You gonna teach him some move? Let me hold it then and teach him some move.
You want to teach him up?
I'm gonna hold it.
I was joking, don't take it so seriously.
Okay. And I can show it here?
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
the bedroom. Can go and go. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Guys, this is Jamaica.
So this will be the bedroom, and that will be the shower and the toilet will be right here. The same guy that you see just now, he says coming back. It's his place now. We're kind of helping out, you know. So giving him a bedroom here, you know, and the shower, toilet.
I'm so happy for the
Kitchen.
people that are going to live here.
Wow, it's gonna be nice.
How you get the money?
Donation,
Donation.
people donate.
Thank you guys.
Yeah,
Thank you.
we want to thank them so
Wow.
much.
God bless the donors.
Thank you.
Of course.
Because when you give, you get more.
Yeah.
It's the circle. We need to share. Wow. Even I don't have money.
Very rich.
Yeah, man, yeah, this is them, man.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
That is it.
But still, every single day I must to share everything. So this is the thing. You share. Money is a circle. You need to share.
Yes. Come show now. Come walk again. So this is it,
Sharing
man.
can and more is.
Love is free.
No, more is. We just talk about this now. More is less.
More is less.
Yeah.
And sharing.
Just the assignment. I think I'll get the assignment.
And sharing is caring.
Love is free.
Love is free.
Love is really free. Hey, bon appetit, my brother.
Yes, that's it. That's it.
It's about time you resting, you eating.
She's from Israel. You say, where my
This is cow foot.
Cow foot.
Rice and peas.
Cow?
cow feet.
Yeah, cow
I'm eating strong.
The cow feet.
Basically, my sweet friend.
Strong food.
Yeah. Trunk.
Strong figure like you.
Yeah.
Try it, yeah?
Yeah, guys. If you don't know the single, in Jamaica they like them big. So you need to eat a lot of plantain. Yeah.
You have to get fit. You have to
Yeah.
get fit, right?
So I can ask, like, if there is like very very skinny Jamaican woman, she can manage here. She will get
Of course.
active.
Of course.
Yeah.
Of course.
Jamaican women will take everything. Everything.
More.
It's amazing. And more.
I said them more. They don't lose out. Go walk you through the garage and say, come and boom, we'll go and walk them. Get a tour of the place.
If you want to come to Jamaica, put your foot and put more. Because more is less and more is
So what
marriage.
is right here, so? Like a bar?
Yeah, there's someone like they set up a little bar and everything.
Okay.
You know. But as you can see, people try to help themselves.
Right.
As you can see, through themselves, they're going themselves. So most of the house, then you can see like people try to help themselves, like to build something, you know. But as you can see, it's mainly like walkways, you know. So you can walk through each of these yards to go to another street. Instead, you have to walk all the way around. So this is the reason
Come
why.
around through the little black man.
Yes, to get on another street. Otherwise, you have to walk all the way around to come back.
That's like a maze.
Yes. So you're
a maze.
yeah. So you're in the TrenchTown maze.
Wow.
You know. And your support.
Yeah, me and Honest chef.
Lloyd. Wow. So now I come play for Arnett. Me I come play for Arnett right now. Chin.
Yeah.
You never know some Arnett jersey there. You have match today?
Yeah.
Okay.
Quarterfinal.
Oh, big things are going on. So this is one of the richest girls in TrenchTown.
Yeah.
Her name is Charlotte. Yes.
Make your money, my sister.
Sister, give her something now. A true me at her.
Watch your drive out.
Yeah.
Hey.
Hey, see there? Let me just tell you. One of the richest in TrenchTown. Perp.
Can come with you, miss?
Give me the key, you know one.
Can I come with you?
Cheese. She got mango.
You play football?
I'm gonna thief this, okay? Okay, Charlotte. Okay, Charlotte. Charlotte. Esther. Find mango. Find two, what I leave one.
I know Bob Marley affect a
Later.
lot of people in this world in a good way.
I really know where I'm now.
So this is called 5th Street.
First street.
Yeah, the 5th. 5. It's that way. So we're gonna go, we have to walk back this way to go. So we're gonna walk on the outside.
We're going down there?
So we are going
Yeah.
to Marley Street.
Yeah, we're going on Bob Marley Street.
Okay.
So we're gonna.
See this cameraman?
Yeah.
Cameraman is behind.
Yeah.
You have to keep it
The behind. You have to keep it pro.
Yeah. All the summer
I love this
is.
cameraman so much. I love
Oh God, give out liquor. Give out liquor. I'm gonna want to see your teeth tonight. Welcome to TrenchTown.
Welcome to TrenchTown. This is where the real bad people them there. Yeah, big up, big up.
A good people there here now. It's all changed.
Oh, okay.
bad mean good.
Yeah. So these said bad mean
Yeah, it's
good.
good to be bad.
So these is a real bad girl. She and Sean R was say, oh me a real bad girl,
Yeah,
but
me
come
too,
from
me a
Trench.
real bad girl.
And Coco girl already bad already.
Watch out.
Yeah.
Real bad girl.
In TrenchTown.
Yeah, in a TrenchTown.
Hey,
Baddest thing out here. Yeah.
Hey, say.
Ra. We got TrenchTown.
TrenchTown.
Yes.
We got TrenchTown.
So you know the famous Art and Ellis, right?
Yeah.
This is East Street.
Yeah,
This is out on the street.
Yeah, no, this is where he's from.
Okay, so TrenchTown breed like all of the
legends there.
musicians, all of the legends, everything. So TrenchTown is a popular spot, guys. Everything is awesome.
So East Street have one of this where you can tell who was born on the street. So you can tell who was born on this street. Like the same person I was talking about, Alton Ellis. These are the legend of Fifth Street. So that's in there as well too, Alton Ellis. As well too.
Bob Marley history. We are TrenchTown.
No, this
Yeah.
is not Bob Marley Street yet.
Yeah, well,
No, just
Alton
Bob Marley
Ellis.
history.
yeah, no, this is each street have a history of a legend singer. So this is one of them as well, Fifth Street. So the more you go down towards Bob Marley Street, you will see that they have more legends who sing as
like
well
that.
too.
Okay.
Yes. So this is one of
The
them.
place just feel peaceful, like you can just walk here at night time too.
Of course. The place is lively. This is lively, man. Hey, go on, Coco. One love, go on, Coco.
I don't know English, my brother.
Hey, you was just singing English, man. Coco girl a big singer now. Waka waka. Guys, we can't believe we have waka waka here in
Wagga
TrenchTown.
Wagga is here.
Here.
You know, I just learned English 2 years ago. I call my English with confidence.
Of
I
course.
have English with confidence.
Yes,
People can understand me with the vibe. Yeah, that's it.
It is the vibe.
Yeah, everything is the vibe. You vibe into the vibe.
You have to vibe into the vibe.
Into the vibe.
And we have to take Jess out the farm and bring her in the concrete jungle.
Yeah, the
Flow,
truth.
me and her we flow.
We flow.
Of course. I cannot wait to see how you manage with the goat and everything because
Hey.
your nails, guys, look at her
You
nails.
miss,
Our nails.
you miss
Hey.
everything, man.
You see here,
You
you
should have
need,
checked me 3 years ago. My life changed now.
Yeah.
Somebody working on the farm.
you see these nails you never imagined. She looked like a downtown Kingston girl, you know? But then she messed with the goat.
Look, the Lamborghini there is washing.
Lamborghini.
Yeah. My car. Yeah, it's washing. Look, it's washing. Remember that's what they call it.
Lamborghini.
Lamborghini.
Hey, what's the road?
Sister,
What's the road? What's the road?
you deserve to want Lamborghini.
Yeah. No, be a spare traffic. So now it's spare traffic on the main Spanish Town Road. So everyone is driving.
Everybody cutting from here.
Cutting.
Okay.
So there's
We have
cut.
some handsome police.
Yes.
Hey, the Jamaican policemen. Yesterday they called me. I thought they want to arrest me.
Yeah.
They just put my number. This
Hey,
is Jamaica police.
just like that.
Just like that.
They're sharp. Look, so they're making the uncut here. That's who making the car thumper. Come. Wagwan.
Wagwan.
Coco.
Wagwan.
So wagwan.
Waga waga, my brother.
That's Jess.
Hi,
Hey, how are you?
not too bad.
Where you from?
St. Mary.
St. Mary. Jamaican St. Mary.
Yeah.
Yeah. And she, Israel.
Yes.
Israel. I'm coming there shortly.
You come?
Yeah.
Seriously, don't come now. There is war.
Go again?
There is war. Don't come
Oh, I'm
now.
not afraid you know, see what kind of suit we have on.
There is missile from the sky. This will not help you. Believe me, you don't want to come now.
They said the Mr.
Yeah.
To sight, you know.
For sake.
Yeah.
Seriously.
You know, sometimes
Okay.
you're a journalist come here and they want to bring us around. Yeah. I will show them around too.
Cool.
And they hold the camera like a gun. You know, oh, down here is bad. So, yeah, we used to these things in Israel.
Yeah,
So we
yeah.
need to come and
It's
see what's
true,
happening
it's
as
true.
well.
But go Jerusalem, don't forget, it's very holy place.
Yeah.
Don't feel the vibe in Jerusalem.
Jerusalem. That
So
is
they're
it.
holding it. You know, jiggy, woogie, jiggy, jiggy.
No, you can teach me.
No, not me, no. I'm not a dancer.
Okay, me too, my brother.
I'm not a
me too.
producer, you know.
Yeah, he's a music producer.
Yeah,
You
Yeah.
used to see me in Israel.
I wish.
I'm coming.
I'm waiting for you, my brother.
Alright.
My brother.
Okay.
Yeah, what they bring on First Street. Alright then. Dibby, them give foot again. Every time I get a next foot.
I see him put man.
I see him foot.
You threw me up this man that hurt me, so I'm just
Oh.
put on the back.
Blessings, my general. Cool, man.
Alright, respect.
Baby with the foot.
Interesting. When I was a soldier, I was only one.
Only one?
Only take gun, yeah.
So when he was a soldier, he only got one. Yeah, shot.
Don't miss, I'm telling you.
He said, don't play, no, don't play Coco. Oh, you do it again. Oh, you do. Oh, you aim, do it again. Oh, you shoot.
Take the car.
Let me say, oh, you shoot.
Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me show. Because I'm drunk. If I didn't was drunk, I never do something.
This drunk you?
Yes, because I don't do so much. So there is 3 Israeli army IDF position. Guys, you already know that, but I will teach them. It's 1 when you're holding the gun. It's 1.
Wait, going more.
Let's
Yeah,
go.
stand right there. Yeah, you're good there.
Okay, it's 1, 2.
Yeah.
Then you put your hand like that.
Yeah.
You go like that.
Yeah.
Cha, 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 cha. This is the 3 position. I'm telling you, if you ever have a gun or something,
Yes.
someone come from the bush,
Yeah.
this is what you need to do.
Yeah, that guy. That is what you need to do. If you're watching and you want to jump on the bush, you go da 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 da.
Don't play, we are not playing.
She's not playing. Esther, you learn that one? Okay. Of course.
You can't do it, but go watch it and practice.
So you have to practice. Because it,
So next time I'm coming to TrenchTown, I
Yeah.
want to see you do it very well, huh?
Okay.
Okay.
She's gonna
So
practice.
don't play even with Esther, I'm telling you.
yes, guys. So Esther start to practice now because
Esther start to practice.
Coco girl is here teaching her already. So you know what time it is, right? Esther, real bad girl now.
Don't look Esther like that. She's
Add on to the
really
badness.
So you take.
Yeah, I'm gonna add it to the badness.
So you take Esther from the Bible and put her on the battlefield.
And you walk
Esther she's from the back.
From the Bible, yes.
But she's badness now.
Esther is Baptist now, so Esther is out the Bible and she's in the battlefield.
Esther go out from the Bible to play a little bit street talk.
Yes, this is street girl. So this is called West Road. So this West Road leads to Spanish Town Road, the road that you drive on. That's the main road that take you to downtown or take you all the way back to the other side of the town.
So it's not looking like something that I see before. TrenchTown is something else.
Is this something else?
I was in Spanish town. It looks different. But TrenchTown? I love the vibe.
Yeah? No. Just look different. Yes.
You got to be serious, huh?
So this is Bob Marley Street. This? This street is Bob Marley Street now, Vaun. Coco? This is Bob Marley Street.
Okay. This is Vaun Street.
Yes. As you can see the legends, look, right here. The legends.
Just above Marley people them did live on here, so.
The way, yes.
So I guess
So you have
Chapter 4, no woman, no
a cry, yeah.
no woman no cry.
These are the people that write.
And you have the Whalers as well too. Bob Marley, Bunny Whalers. Remember there's a yard, a tenement yard that all of them live in. So it's up on the top of the road, you're gonna see it.
I remember.
So this is the famous Bob Marley street. As we go up more, you're gonna see where Bob Marley was living.
Oh, see my favorite thing out there.
What is your favorite?
The goat?
The goat?
Yeah.
Oh my
Look at this farm.
God.
She like goat.
She likes goat.
Look at these big Nubians.
That's yeah, that's a Nubian.
Hi, baby.
Yeah, my general.
Go to the place.
She want to enter.
Let's Bob Marley yard. Bob Marley yard. Come on, guys. We're giving it a tour. Come on to take over. I know you're going.
See you have pigeon there. Pigeons.
Wow.
Wow.
I guess you don't have so many on the farm, right?
Oh, you're right. Them check.
And the Whalers, the whole family.
It's amazing, guys. So all the songs that we like,
Yeah.
basically coming from here. What's that? This is what we
Dino, come here.
This is a hippie's car.
Yeah, this is a Bob Marley bus we used to drive. Because 36 years where they got the murals, you know, the drawing and everything. So this is the outside where they used to wash their clothes and everything. These are the outside pipes that they use to wash their clothes and everything. This is not the backyard where they used to come and you know them light them fire, you know, and them chant and everything. So
It's very powerful for me to be here.
very
This person really literally reached to all over the world and touch a lot of heart and heal a lot of people.
yes, yes. So this is the outside sink, you know.
This is Aki tree.
Yeah, Aki.
Was here when he was here?
Well, Aki tree in the yard long time when Bob there. Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah?
No, boom said it didn't.
Wow.
No for them.
So Mama used to eat from this Aki tree.
Oh, the plum tree was.
Plum tree long there, so about this, you know, plant them plant.
Yeah.
Wow.
And jackfruit tree.
You know about the plum tree.
So you have cherry tree. You ate cherry before? Eat cherry?
Cherry? Like
Yeah.
tomato cherry?
Cherry, here.
No, so I never eat.
You never tried cherry before?
You're so tall. It's ready?
It's ready.
I can try?
Yeah.
I will just wash it here.
One cherry too.
Know what? Oops. If we move, take your time.
Next pipe.
This one's gonna wet you up.
This one, yeah, it comes from my
Yeah.
belly.
Use the next one.
Where is the next one?
Down here, come. That one wet you up. That one fire straight out. Here's another one here.
Where? Ah, this one.
Yeah.
Ah, there is here a breadfruit.
Breadfruit tree right here
But
as well.
this is young one.
Yeah.
I never know you cannot roast the young one. They tell me you cannot roast
Is it? No.
the young one.
No, because it's too young. So that's cherry.
Okay. Nice, sour. Nice.
Nice.
Thank you.
First time?
I think so.
We drink the juice, right? Cherry juice and everything.
Never see it in the market.
Never, right? Well, Jess know about it as well.
Of course.
About cherry. This, yeah?
Yes, Kino, I'll make you pick one of the cherry for me and pick none.
Well, I'll pick it for you. Sorry.
Thank you. I'm going up there, so
You want more cherries? You want more? Coco, you want more?
No, for me that's it.
So we're here in Culture Yard. Show them some inside to show them what's going on here. Sour and sweet at the same time.
Like me? Sweet and
Sour.
sour.
Sweet and sour. No. Yeah. I eat jackfruit before. Have you seen jackfruit? There's a tree there.
I like, wow, it's so beautiful.
See the jackfruits?
Oh, yeah.
You got jackfruits.
It can be huge. Just need to wait.
Jackfruit? None already yet. Yeah, one big one there right here, so. There was two. It was right here. It's gone. Right here and right here. The last time I was here with Sean, it was here. So now it's gone.
This one's soon ready.
Soon ready?
No, I don't know. I'm just
It's already.
set brown when it
And then brown.
just natural instinct, you know. Because I see this one look green, this one look this tree is so ready. I love jackfruit still. Wow. Just the other day I saw like the whole of the tree down to the ground.
Beautiful.
Full in the St. Mary. All the way up here. That was tested.
So they said it's not good, it's not.
Okay, let's just drop off and just stay there.
So far.
Yeah. Only smells so much of jackfruit, boy.
So much history is here.
Yo, this reminds me of one Japanese place. Japanese place.
I know what you mean.
Yes, you know what? Look.
No woman no cry. So, alright, it's up now. Wagon.
Okay.
Waga.
Waga.
The people of
Thank you. What's that?
These artwork here.
Bob Marley.
There's everyone. You have Tata, you have Selassie. Here you have all of the artworks them.
Beautiful.
So you have Selassie. You know Selassie?
No, never hear about
His name is Tata.
it. Musician?
Yeah, I'm showing you these guys. The Bunny Whalers.
But they are musicians.
Yeah. Bob Marley.
It's Bob Marley and the Wailers, you know.
So Bob Marley himself.
Yes. I think that was the backup singer.
Wow.
Are you godmother? Is it?
Ah, it's Bob Marley family?
Wife.
Ah, seriously?
Yeah, that's Bob Marley wife there. Onse. There right, Wilson. So you never know that's Bob Marley's wife, Rita Marley.
I never know. She is also musician?
Yeah, she was the singer, backup singer.
Wow.
She was also in the group as well too.
Baby mother.
Yeah.
I never know.
Wife is baby mother.
Yeah, wife, baby mother.
Queen.
Queen, everything, empress, everything.
Yeah.
Wow.
Hey. Hans.
And full of the yard.
Oh, in the yard, right?
Because
The tree. Yeah, oh yes.
Cherry? Yeah.
The ants.
Find Julie Mango in a Bob Marley yard. This was
Yeah.
cool, thank you.
So there is Julie living in Bob Marley yard. So Bob Marley have Rita, him have Julie, him have Britney, him have so much. One Love movie. So this is us. So TrenchTown is on the next side of TrenchTown, you know. She's getting fresh air. Welcome to TrenchTown.
Okay.
Aisha, what go on? The art. She's hot.
Enjoy yourself. That
So all of this go all the way up is TrenchTown. You go all the way up.
And it's not like Spanish Town, tricky like Spanish Town?
No, it's not tricky. Different.
Okay.
It's very peaceful. Yes, it's not tricky like Spanish Town.
Okay.
Yes. It's not tricky. It's very lovely here, man. You need to come here and spend like 2 days, Coco.
For sure.
Yes.
If there is like room here
Yeah.
to rent, I'm here.
Of course, we can organize that for you. Just let me know when.
Of course.
I will organize it.
Of course, I will link you up soon.
Yeah. I can come.
Cool, I love it. I never thought it's like that. Yeah.
But you have to see it for yourself, right?
Yes.
They can.
Then you know.
Then you know. So now you see it. Now you know.
Now I know.
Yes, more.
Do you have peanuts? Salt peanuts? Yes, you can see here. The red one. I will take the red one.
Peanuts.
Someone want?
Peanuts.
You want?
Want peanut, boom?
Thanks.
Peanut. Yeah, give them peanuts.
Yeah, why not?
Yeah.
She on the red, we on the red finish pine.
You have more.
On the red finish pine.
Yeah, no. You have more red in there, man.
Which one you want?
The salt is the best.
Salt is the best.
The salt.
Peanuts.
Peanuts?
Want peanuts?
It's energy. It will bring us energy.
It's energy. Give me one of the red one as well. She said salt is the best.
Give me one of those soft mints, please. The blue and white one.
Seal out. No taste and buy. I say you like the sweet stuff that you know with your teeth.
Just the blue and white mint. Yeah, two of them.
My favorite. I like to buy the big one. You
Oh.
have the big one?
Yeah.
I order mint.
I say your teeth always are hurt. love sweets. Too much sugar, man. Why never get the peanut, Esther? You can blend it too.
Not the salty one. But blend the one with the red. You do the red one with the red thing on it.
Okay.
Better to blend on the red thing. You want?
Alright then, thanks. Come. Not inside. Yeah, hello? Where? Eh?
What now? Where are you going?
I say you never have something for you to charge our phone. The plug-in. Should have to go
You
for
to tell the phone?
artist. There's an artist here, Coco.
Wow.
Yes. Artist.
Anyway, but now we
Come video. Come catch the artist here right now.
What one?
So this is Coco girl. And this is Jess.
No, I'm okay.
And this is Jess.
Yo, what's the tune that I come here now? Tina tell me about you from Raven or Bob Marley.
Yes. So this is Vaun Rush. Oh, you about to die?
What's that tune? What's that?
Give them something now, Vaun Rush.
the
Yeah.
vibe a little bit.
You might come.
Give me something.
It's so
This is ready. This is ready.
yeah.
Yeah, she's ready.
Give me the tune, baby.
Hey.
Give me the tune.
Alright, stand up beside him then. Stand up beside him.
Yeah.
Stand up right beside him.
Together.
The tune, baby. Come on.
Come on.
I feel poverty and poor, yes, but I'm for see the progress. Buck up in a more mess, end up in a more stress when one for see the progress. And shot a board, chest him up on the floor, yes, he made it take a tour. Them want for see what feel load, lock up in a jail load, still we skin a pay load, no money
Show
for the
them.
deal load. Only for time we try hard, mama cry hard, sister cry, she cry. Still we have to die, poverty and poor, yes, poverty and poor, poverty and more, yes, poverty and poor, poverty and more, stress, poverty and poor, poverty and poor, we just a knock down we door. This world is a reject die, them want to say we dead die. Shot in our head, them a spread, them a reflect die. My mama do the crying, papa him a say why. To him juvenile, where they done gone, him a for say bye. My tired of the killing, be a blood spilling. Poverty and stress, the poor, them harder than a bitch. And if me rich forever giving help, the poor me ever willing. Long life, me love the living inside the end when it a busy.
Hey, go to the river.
Hey, you're full of lyrics, man.
Bad.
Hey, big up, you're going to get your mash hands.
You like it?
I'm not going like,
Yeah, so his name is Vaun Ross. You can check him out. Tell them where they can find you.
You can find me on the Instagram, Vaun Ross #4, you see me?
And you're from TrenchTown.
Yeah, I'm from TrenchTown, born and grew.
So
Guys, love is free support.
so give them the spelling of your platform.
Yeah, the Vaun Ross are VAUN space ROSS #4, Vaun Ross.
Vaun Ross.
Okay.
Give them something more.
That.
Give them something more, man.
Positive.
Give them anything,
You're
man.
positive.
No, me no pre-car. The girl you sit down on the grizzly like a seesaw. Me make you breathe like donkey. We go eat on like jar. We go we want salter than sea salt. Say she want something tough like cement. She want the steel pipe donkey length. She want me love her like revenge. Me touch out her soul till she repent. Some go van the ground craft. She no want a man a come try use no tongue craft. Piss devil bun grass. Touch her she come fast. Squirt and she come hard. Touch her she done gone. Say she want something well hard fi bounce off. So me touch out her soul till she done soft.
Hey.
Yo, give the one where you said when the boy what touch your wife.
It's just my life. It's just my life. Me just catch keynote. Love my wife from day from dawn till dusk till night. It come alive. My heart get her cut by knife. Yes, she suicidal. She really al-Qaeda. This little girl, she love my friend for the bribal. The bribal. Yes, she praise the money like an idol. And that's why every man I love my girl. And when she flow, yes, she flow like a tidal. Tidal. So the money and I jump like revival. Revival. Me tell you, say that girl is suicidal. Tell you, say that chick al-Qaeda. That's why I say it's just my life.
Yeah, him catch Indian. I love him wife.
Wow. The world is something else, but I love it.
Yeah,
Hey, this is called dancehall. This is dancehall, right?
yeah. And he's got so much.
Yeah, he's talent.
Yeah, my it so much.
Yeah,
My brother, I wish you success in everything.
Vaun Ross.
You have it. You really have the magic inside. So you want something?
He's rough man, and Kina boss him to
Yeah,
come right now.
Keep push it out now, man. Give them here
Not
more.
even know it's a big boss. I just give him
Of course.
millions of people are watching now.
Yeah. Show about some more tune we want them to go and check out Vaun.
Check. So guys,
check it out.
Check it out. Instagram, we tell you it's spelled for you.
Vaun Ross,
It's
yeah.
free, so why not to support other and see other success? Why not? It's amazing.
Yeah, think about another one.
It's a circle.
Come on, he's gonna do something again.
Another one?
Yeah.
Jaja guide we, Selassie guide we, stand beside we, them no like we, them one we dead and gone, fled and gone, get shot in our head and con, lead and con, feel we mother beg and ball with Gwen and Don, so we watch how we move and where we walk, no for peep through the window, make them talk, them our blood circle, emancipation park, like it and a sexy girl, I take a walk, them come with them kids, a beat and dog a bark. Mama say she want the food, me nah go laugh. Me tell them say me nah go laugh. Me want me off, them can't take we shine it nah go.
This is where I used to live, right here. Yeah. This is where I born and grow.
Which one?
In this one here.
Mama is there?
No, in England.
In England?
Yeah, this is where I used to live.
So we can go in there? So this is a coming like here to a Bob Marley.
Yeah, so like how me a Bob Marley say I go tour my yard.
And where do you live today?
Eh?
Where do you live today?
In a different area.
But in TrenchTown?
No. Outside of TrenchTown. Outside of TrenchTown. No, cause the gate around here, so. Yeah, people living there now. My family living there as well. My cousin living there now. So this is where I used to live.
Oh, yes, I see. Wow.
Oda Shakara.
Hello.
Yes, Ketchar.
Camera in and out. Hey, guys.
Hello. That's my little cousin there. So that's where I used to live. This is where my grandma was living over here. It's my grandma's side. This is where me and my mom and my dad used to live.
From the beginning.
Yeah, so this is where it all started from for me before I went to the UK.
Okay, so where the lane them go now?
This take you on another street as well too.
Oh.
You can continue go there and go back on 2nd Street. It takes you on another street. So these.
It's amazing, it's like.
Yeah, it's like it's a maze. See how big boy. I'm chain man, he's chain.
One bad boy. Hey.
Cause you like dogs, so see you fight back up on a big dog now.
Hey, Papa. Hey. Yeah, I'm gonna turn back now because you're just too quiet. You look like
Yeah.
you're gonna grab.
No, I'm good.
Oh, is that big book?
Yeah.
Okay.
This used to be my window, my room window.
This used to be a window.
Yeah.
You ever
History.
imagine?
Mm-mm.
You ever imagine? If somebody
Memories.
tell you, say, it's going to YouTube right now,
Hey.
and you'll be traveling.
You get me? And when I left here like from 2000. Long
You have
time.
the English accent in it.
It's
Okay.
slightly. You know, it's there. You get me? It's there.
You get me?
You get
You get me?
You get me? Come on. Those were the days, you know. Jess!
I said, those were the days.
Yeah, man, those were the days. And say, Coco is here.
Coco is here on the hood with Rasta.
And the hood.
Rasta. He's the best.
So she's on the hood.
Coco all the time find herself with Rasta people, all the time. Like that.
So she like the Rasta vibes.
I like the Rasta vibe.
She like the Rasta vibes.
Uh-huh.
That is it. Come meet another friend of mine. Come. See me. I meet a builder. He build houses.
Okay.
Yeah.
Environment St. Mary.
Yes, he can build a house for you as well. Natural.
I wonder if I can environment St. Mary to finish up my farm house.
Yeah.
Look at this stuff, baby. Look at his legs.
This is the
Give him peace.
Something I can
theme. This is the Jamaican Chinaman here. Ching Wang. Ching Long Cheng.
China.
He's here. Jamaican Chinese.
Seriously? You mix with China?
No.
You mix with China? No.
Yeah, I mix with China, I mix with the whole world.
I can feel you. I see my brother.
So this is Jess. This is the Chinaman.
This is the China man. Yeah, his eyes a little bit. But seriously, you are mixed with China because there is a lot of China people here.
You know, Chomo mix. Just, remember different personality for everybody. You know, some people from here are Chinese, some are Indian, some people. Remember the personality.
Yeah.
Okay. One love.
One love.
Yeah.
Out of many, me one.
Yeah.
And we got you. It's
Yeah.
good.
Yeah,
It's
many
good.
got me. You know?
It's good. I'm happy. I'm happy you are with us.
Yeah. This is Chinaman.
That's it.
Yeah.
No, I'm not that.
Moyet, I'm glad to see you. Moyet, I'm so glad to see you. Smile them.
I left a long time, you know, sir.
Another one, may I come? So this is him. This is natural here.
This is what?
He's a builder. We can build house. This is natural. This is Coco girl.
How are you?
And that's
Say a
Jess.
lot of good things about you.
I thought she looks so serious. He built the whole of TrenchTown.
Seriously?
This is serious.
He's a serious,
That's
yeah.
not his real face. And I'm real face.
And then the real face does. She's all the way from Israel.
Israel.
Mm-hmm.
Gaza Strip.
I don't know what is Gaza Strip for my mother.
You know, Gaza.
In Gaza, there is now my family. They kidnapped my family. Gaza, it's not. I'm not talking about Gaza.
Oh.
My family kidnapped there.
My God.
Yeah.
I see it on TV from all the way journey.
Yeah, very difficult situation. Yeah, but one love also for people from Gaza.
One love.
Yeah, one love.
Thanks and praise and all the family can make it out. Most
I
of
wish.
them.
I wish.
I understand situations.
Yeah. And also,
Many people running from life. Many people are dying by
Australia,
bomb.
Yeah.
of course.
Oh, them still have them same.
In October, they come kidnap babies, people, raping, everything. Of course. But one love, right?
Yeah, one love man.
Welcome,
Keep the
man.
journey going, huh?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. And she come here, she love TrenchTown now.
TrenchTown?
Yes, I love
Yeah, man.
it. You can build me some small house. I'm simple woman.
Well,
I don't need a lot.
my hands are tired and feet are bound.
With money, you can do everything. A little bit money, you will run to do.
Well, money is power, you know.
Huh?
Money is power.
I know. This is what I'm talking about.
Money can make you lift up the career and put back down.
Yeah, it's true, it's true. Usually men confusing for money. Rich men.
Well, it's the money. Everywhere, everybody goes around the world. The only thing that goes for is money.
Right.
If you left from Jamaica to go to England,
You're not gonna work for free.
No? Money. Right.
Right.
Unfortunately, control.
You understand?
Money make the world go around.
I wish one day I will bring you potato, you will bring me cucumber.
Hey,
No
hey.
cucumber. Why you need to cook
No,
cucumber?
no cucumber.
Like, you know what I mean?
It's
Like no money in the world.
Originally,
Why I took this?
Exchange fruits. Yes.
It was offering. Like when
You could have swapped.
It was food, you know, and
Exchange
meat
food.
kind of stuff, you know. And
Yeah.
so you bring something, me bring something.
Exactly.
But now it's money. You have to use the money and buy it now.
Yeah, but
So it's
extension, this is the real deal.
Yeah, exchange.
What the barter system you're talking about?
Was back in the days when people
Back
used
in
to
the day.
exchange.
Yes, you know,
Yeah,
it was
it's the
exchange.
barter.
But
Yeah.
you build for me house. What do you want from me? No money. You will build for me. What I need to do? Exchange what?
Hey.
No, good.
Good.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Wow. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Thank you
It's
so
a
much.
pleasure.
Thank you so much for having us.
Coco,
Yeah.
Wagan.
Wagan, my brother.
Guys, remember please to check them out. The link will be in the description. You know, you can check them out, Coco Girl and also Farmer Girl Jess. It's not the first time you see us already. Was at Bob Marley River, remember?
Yes.
Was at Bob Marley River and now we're back again. So guys,
Also
check them out.
Love it's free. So thank you so everything.
Big up.
We are going to stay together.
Yes.
And yeah, thank you, my brother.
No problem, man. We'll see you soon again, right?
Of course.
Just let me know when. You're welcome.
With you.
Of course.
If
Just
you
let me.
can get me some room here.
Yes. Of course. We're gonna organize it.
I was telling him about it.
Yeah.
Yes.
We're gonna organize it, man. I'll have some nice time here.
This
like the
place is a place to stay. You cannot continue.
Vaun, who is a
Hey.
well-known fundraiser within the GOP.
Wagan.
To go.
Wagan. So I'll see you again.
Thank you for having us. Guys, love it free. Subscribe. I'm
Subscribe.
going to put links, so please support.
Yes, guys. Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.